when you're kissing that brother, what do you hear from God? Question says, is kissing during a relationship a sin? Please, when you're kissing, whoever asks this question, when you're kissing that brother, what do you hear from God? No, I want to know, do you lift up holy hands and sing praises to God when you're kissing that brother? There are things you don't ask. So you're trying to say, is romance a sin? There are things might not point out as a 10 commandment that came as a sin. But you should know that being a foolish virgin will not allow you see God when he arrives. Did you hear that? Being a foolish virgin takes off your light. I don't want to go deep. Please don't do it. Thank you.
We understand that she's talking about, people who are in a relationship kissing. Now, a lot of Christians have a way they understand Christianity. Just like in some churches, they would say you are free to wear trousers to the church. And in some other churches, it is a sin entirely for you to wear trousers to the church. Some other places, you can go with your hair without a hair tie or a scarf. In some other churches, they will not allow you to have a scarf. I've seen churches that wed pregnant women. And there are still some churches that, if you're pregnant, they will even run a pregnancy test before they can wed you in their church. So it depends on how a particular congregation understands Christianity, because the Bible is vast and people have different understanding. You've got feelings for a particular person. You mustn't necessarily be kissing them for you to ignite those emotions, for you to begin to paint scenarios in your head, probably where you are with that person, discussing in a garden. So you mustn't be kissing before you can paint scenarios in your head. If you ask me, there are several things that we can interpret as sins. And most of these things, a lot of people who call themselves Christians don't even look at those aspects. In some countries, you use kissing as a sign of greeting. Somebody you have affection for, you can actually kiss that person. Doesn't mean you are not a child of God. So if it is like that, that means a lot of people are sinning. I don't really think kissing is a sin. Nah, I don't think so. If not sin, I don't do now. Hey, I don't do.
Listen, we end today.
Sin.